Your entire life have been in failure. As a son, your parents gave you everything you wanted in life, from clothes to a mobile, but you were being comfortable each and every time. You broke your parents' trust, and even yours, by wasting every minute of your life watching porn, playing videos, and running behind hoes over your family. You knew you were doing wrong by snoozing the alarm clock in the morning for sleeping just 10 minutes more, not trying to get your life back on track. You were running away from the fucking reality that you aren't normal, but deep down you knew you were doing something wrong. And yet you had not guts and ability to follow your goal and become a better person. One day the wake-up call echoed louder than ever in your ear, and found yourself trapped in a cycle of procrastination, escapism, and broken promises to those who believed in you the most, your family, and stumbled on this video to make a change, the greatest comeback of your life. But in this video, not only I will help you, but tell you the biggest mistake that one of you have been making. About 2 years ago, I was even in worse place than you are. I was doing every bad habit that one can do to ruin their life, from masturbating 3 times a day, every single day for a year, to being with fake friends, which I didn't know at that time. Do you know what masturbation can result in? I was sleep deprived, like a zombie, sitting in headaches and thinking, what is causing me headaches? For my whole life, I was avoiding taking pictures, and I used to feel ashamed of myself to even look in mirror. I was not able to focus on one fucking thing literally for even a minute. While doing any work, I will randomly start scrolling through Instagram, watching girls dancing in bikinis, delaying and procrastinating good things that can make me better, instead trading with cheap dopamine. In the end of 2020, my friend introduced me to self-improvement content, as he was not happy with his life too. Little by little, day by day, me and my friend together as a team started consuming knowledge. At that moment, I didn't know how this new self-improvement thing would go. Deep down, I knew I don't have a rich dad, and nobody is going to help me apart from me. The most important thing and valuable thing is believing in yourself, the cornerstone of any transformative journey. Many research supports the idea that self-belief is linked to increased resilience and the ability to overcome challenges. Trust in your capabilities, embrace your potential, and watch as belief becomes the driving force behind your greatest comeback. I became so hungry of consuming knowledge, I started skipping college. At that moment, I made myself a promise to become stronger, smarter, and better version of myself. When I started my self-improvement journey, the biggest mistake I made, and most of you will do, was caring too much about what others thought. The truth is, nobody gives a damn about your journey as much as you do. It's time to break free from the shackles of external opinions. I took a bold step in my journey by cutting off friends who mirrored my old self. It's not about isolating yourself, but surrounding yourself with those who matter and help you become better. The first lesson I learned while making daily routine. Before that, learn how simple thing like sleep can make you more productive. Before starting a day as a human, you should be fully charged and ready to work. I recommend at least sleep 8 to 9 hours. I prefer and try to sleep more than 9 hours on a daily basis. I was making the mistake of tackling easy tasks in the morning, only to find myself drowning in complexity as the day progressed. The struggle to face challenging tasks later in the day was real. That's when I decided to start eating the frog right at the beginning of the day. Eat the frog is about facing your most challenging task, the one you're most likely to procrastinate on, first thing in the morning. For me, it was reading book. By devouring the most challenging frog at sunrise, I discovered I had more energy and I was more focused throughout the day. By tackling difficult tasks early can set a positive tone for the entire. Most of my life, I was very underconfident about how I look and got a little disappointed and depressed. Workout made me happy till date. I work out 2 times a day, first time after waking up and second time with my friend that I told you about. Working out not only made me happy, but gave me the confidence that I was lacking. He who has health has hope, and he who has hope has everything. In my opinion, a healthy outside starts from the inside. It is health that is real wealth, and not pieces of gold and silver. If I don't work out, I feel sad and something is wrong with me in my case. Now I am addicted to get stronger. This is one of the biggest mistake I made, and most people do, running behind getting rich and fucking girls. The reason I am not telling you to run behind money is, when I wanted to get rich so desperately, I took the wrong boat to ride. I tried to ride 2-3 boats at the same time, which lead me into getting failed in all of them. Without a conscious life purpose, a man is totally lost, drifting, adapting to events rather than creating events. Without knowing his life purpose, a man lives a week weakened and impotent existence. Focus on finding your purpose and being the best in your field. Whenever I started doing anything, I didn't want it to be average in any aspect of my life. After that, I can surely tell you money would flow in your way. Stop running behind girls, because if a man prioritizes his relationship over his highest purpose, he weakens himself, disserves the universe, and cheats his woman of an authentic man who can offer her full, undivided presence. If you are on grind, focus only on getting yourself better. When you will do the hard work, you will eventually become a high-value man. God will help you get your life partner. After doing all of this, I started smashing my goals day by day, week by week, month by month, and now it's been almost 2 years. To achieve anything in life, don't waste your time. It is precious than money. Every moment waited is a moment wasted, and each wasted moment degrades your clarity of purpose. Do you know about the great basketball player LeBron James? He was not so great and skilled from the beginning. He knew to become the greatest, he has to push past his limits till the edge. Now from like 6 months, I have adopted this mindset to beat my fears like running at 5 a.m. because your fear is the sharpest definition of yourself. You should know it. You should feel it virtually constantly. Fear needs to become your friend so that you are no longer uncomfortable with it. Rather, primary fear shows you that you are at your edge. Staying with the fear, staying at your edge, allows real transformation to occur. But the hardest thing to beat was procrastination. It was keeping me weak. Yet, I discovered one thumb rule to beat procrastination that helped me a lot. Seriously. Start by putting your mobile away. Take a deep breath from your belly and be in the moment. For example, don't think of reading 10 pages of book. Instead, just convince yourself that you will only read 1 page of book. This trick results in helping you complete your goals at the right time. After watching this video, you will get the motivation you needed, but you got to master self-discipline, because motivation is like spark, but self-discipline is the enduring flame that propels you forward. I was just like you, getting the motivation, but struggling to become disciplined. Achieving my daily goals for 2 or even 3 days. Getting relapsed every other week again and again until I realized consistency is the key factor in building self-discipline. Believe that you can be disciplined. Believe that you can achieve anything. For example, like if I say I want to become a doctor, then I shall become one. Nothing can stop me becoming one. Get adapted to this attitude as soon as possible to become a great person. And you should gain knowledge by watching podcasts and reading books. The main thing is mindset. Having a positive mind. Having a positive mindset not only helps you keeping going, but also helps you staying calm and composed in the hardest times of your life. Don't take this comeback journey as a matter of months. Self-improvement is a lifelong process. Nobody is perfect, but at least you can stir to get better. That's all for this video. Let me know your opinions about this video in the comments.